Good afternoon. We are out here in Gulf Shores today, Alabama, and I'm going to be showing you Unit 702 at the Rookery. So as you can see, there's where you guys can park, and then the entryway to 701 is just down that way, and then our unit right here, 702, you'll just walk down that little path, and you'll come up to the front porch here. So today I'm going to show you guys 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and just over 1,100 square feet. So immediately we come through the first door, which leads us to this cute little screened in patio, or front porch, front porch. So definitely nice to sit out here and relax when it's not super hot outside. Enjoy your coffee in the morning or just hang out in the evening time after a long day at the beach. But here we are immediately coming inside the unit itself. You can see we walk straight into the open floor plan of the living room, the dining area, and the kitchen. So we are going to have these gorgeous hardwood floors throughout. I personally love a hard surface floor, especially when you are at the beach, so it makes for easy cleanup for all the sand. But here we are taking a closer look at the kitchen. We do have these wood cabinets here, laminate countertop, stainless steel split sink. There's your dishwasher, double door fridge and freezer with that ice dispenser and water dispenser. Built-in microwave, and then your electric stove oven combo right there. This door is actually going to be a pantry for you, so you do have additional storage outside of the cabinetry in here. Give you guys another vantage point. I love the living room setup too, by the way. I just feel like when it's all in an open yet close floor plan like this, you really just get to entertain and enjoy. And then we're going to show you guys your first bedroom. So here you've got a double window, so lets in all that gorgeous natural light. And then in this room, it is used as a bunk room, so you do have these nice full-size bunk beds. Full is in the size of the mattress. And everything in this unit does convey, so you do get all the bedding, the bunk beds, all that good stuff. Then we'll go ahead and show you guys the primary bedroom. Large enough to fit a king-size bed. You do have a nice window here. Double doors for your closet. And then you do have an en-suite bathroom as well. So the other 2 bedrooms will share a singular full bathroom, but this bedroom has its own en-suite bathroom. As you can see, there's a tub shower duo right there, nice built-in. And then you do have a single vanity, but it is a spacious single, so you do get some nice under sink storage and a plethora of that vanity lighting up there, so definitely gives you the space that you need. And that's going to be right off the living area. And then before we get into our final bedroom and bathroom, it is important to note that you do have in-unit laundry. So you have your own washer and dryer hookups in here so that you don't have to use any communal laundry or shared laundry space. So I definitely think that's important when people are looking to invest in a condo, because sometimes you don't always get that luxury, so definitely worthy to note. Here we are in our third and final bedroom. So this one also has an en-suite bathroom, but as I mentioned before, you are going to be sharing the bathroom with the bedroom that's just right across the way there. So the bunk room and this room will share a bathroom. Same closet storage in this one. You have that double door. And then here we are going into our final full bathroom, the second out of the 2. This does close off to that bedroom by a pocket door. But as you can see, this is pretty much the same layout. You've got your tub shower duo here, as well as a single vanity. Really great under sink storage. And again, some really nice vanity lighting. So like I said, this can be closed off. There you go. So then your bedroom is enclosed from the bathroom. And then also you have a door here, so that can close as well. So you still get great privacy there. Just a couple notable features about this unit. The HVAC is only a year old and the water heater is only 3 years old. So you've got some really great life on those there. The unit itself was built in 2005, so still has such amazing bones, and you are just right by the Gulf, so you can enjoy every single day on the beach. Who wouldn't love that? Also comes with a smart thermostat, so you do have see the little wall applique there. There you are. Again, you guys, we are at the Rookery out in Gulf Shores, Alabama. This is going to be just off of Highway 180, Unit 702. We would love for you guys to come check this one out. It's an amazing investment opportunity. Or if you're just looking to retire in the Panhandle, this has your name on it.